DIY circuit boards offer a unique sense of satisfaction from hands-on creation, making them perfect for learning electronics, conducting experiments, or making simple one-off projects, such as simple circuits for controlling LED lights. They allow for quick validation of design ideas and help accumulate experience through practice. However, they have obvious limitations. Not only are they limited in precision, unable to achieve fine-pitch component routing and reliable plated bias, but they also lack professional solder masks and surface treatments, making them prone to oxidation, short circuits, and other issues with high failure rates. Additionally, they consume a great deal of time in debugging and rework, making them completely unsuitable for commercial products. Equipment that requires long-term stable operation or complex designs. Professional PCB manufacturing, on the other hand, features sophisticated production processes enabling precise impedance control, plated vias, standardized solder masks, and surface treatments, combined with strict inspection processes to ensure high product consistency, reliability, and longer service life. It is recommended to adopt a hybrid approach. First, validate core ideas with DIY, then entrust professional manufacturers with mass production and assembly, retaining the joy of hands-on learning while ensuring product quality and stability.